When a couple who ran a family business split up, the former husband suddenly started paying himself huge sums. The wife sued to take back what she said was excess compensation in Wilderman versus Wilderman. Eleanor Wilderman's father had started a ceramic tile business in 1929. Eleanor's husband, Joseph Wilderman, worked for his father-in-law when they were first married. In 1961, Eleanor and Joseph opened their own tile firm, Marble Craft Company. They were the board's only officers. Joseph was president. Eleanor was vice president, secretary, and treasurer. The company issued 100 shares of capital stock to them as joint tenants in exchange for the assets of the business. Marble Craft was quite successful. Eleanor worked as a bookkeeper. Joseph devoted himself to drumming up business, making estimates, and supervising the company's 20 employees, regularly working 60 hours a week or more. In the early days, Joseph was paid $125 a week, and Eleanor was paid $75 a week. To avoid corporate taxation, the company would pay out net corporate profits as executive compensation before the end of the taxable year. Accordingly, Marble Craft never paid dividends attributable to corporate profits. This worked to the family's advantage as they built the business and raised 2 children. By 1970, however, Eleanor and Joseph's marriage was on the rocks. They divorced. As CEO, Joseph drastically increased his compensation. In 1971, he paid himself a bonus of $70,000 on top of his authorized salary of $20,800. In 1973, he paid himself almost $87,000. During this time, Eleanor was receiving $7,800 per year. Eleanor sued Joseph in her own right and as a stockholder in Marble Craft Company. She asked that the court order Joseph's excess compensation to be paid back to the company, treated as corporate profits, and distributed as dividends. The Delaware Chancery Court considered her petition.